Hi friends, good morning. Let us continue our problems in 3D geometry. 5 more problems are there. Let us discuss those problems today. The first problem today, friends, the acute angle between the planes, 2x plus ky plus z is equal to 6 and x plus y plus 2z is equal to 3 is pi by 3. What is the value of k? This is easy problem, friends, because we know the angle. If theta is the angle between the two planes, we know cos theta is equal to a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 by root of a1 square plus b1 square is equal to c1 square into root of a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square. Okay, friends. So here the angle is given. What is that angle? The angle is cos 60. Cos 60 means pi by 2. So 1 by 2. So cos theta is equal to a1 a2 2 into 1 2 a1 a2 plus b1 b2 k into 1 k plus c1 c2 1 into 2 2 a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 by root of a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square 1 square into root of a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square 1 square plus 1 square plus 2 square 1 square plus 1 square plus 2 square. Okay, friends. Now k plus 4 into 2 is equal to root of k square plus 5 into root of 6. Now squaring on both sides, k into k square plus 8k plus 16 is equal to 6 into k square plus 5. Right, friends? Now 4k square plus 32k plus 64 is equal to 6k square plus 30. It implies 2k square minus 32k minus 34 is equal to 0. Right, friends? So 2k square minus 32k minus 64 plus 30 minus, so factors 2 into 64 34 2 into 34 and 68. So the factors 68 or k square minus 16k minus 17 is equal to 0. Right, friends? 17 ones. So k square minus 17k plus k minus 17 is equal to 0. K into k minus 17 plus 1 into k minus 17 is equal to 0. So k is equal to 17 or minus 1. K is equal to minus 1 or 17. So these are the values of k, friends. K is equal to minus 1 or 17. Easy problem, friends. Easy problem. Okay. Now let us see the next problem. See the next problem, friends. The equation of the plane passing through 1 1 1 1 minus 1 1 and minus 7 minus 3 minus 5 is perpendicular to this plane is perpendicular to, your options are xy plane or yz plane or xz plane. So none of the above. Your options are those 4 options. Friends, we know how to find the equation of the plane through 3 given points. Right, friends? So first let us assume that the equation of the plane passing through 1 1 1 a into x minus 1 plus b into y minus 1 plus c into z minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, friends? A into x minus 1 plus b into y minus 1 plus c into z minus 1 is equal to 0. That is the equation of the plane passing through 1 1 1. Right, friends? This plane is passing through 1 minus 1 1. So a into minus 1 1 minus 1 0 plus b into minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 plus c into 1 minus 1 0. It implies minus, this is 0, minus 2b 0. It implies b is equal to 0. B is equal to 0. So b is equal to 0 means y term is not there. Y term is not there in your equation of the plane. In your plane equation, y term is not there. Since y term is not there, y is 0. Y term is not there. So this plane perpendicular to xz plane. This plane is perpendicular to, so you need not find the equation of the plane. You have the value of b 0. Value of b 0 means y term is not there in your plane equation. Y term is not there means that is perpendicular to xz plane. Y term is not there means it is perpendicular. XZ plane is perpendicular to XZ plane. That is normally is y-axis. So this is a easy problem in this simple way. Otherwise you can find the equation of the this plane passing through these 3 points, and you see which term is missing. Y term is missing, that is perpendicular to xz plane. If y term is not there, if x term is not there, that is perpendicular to yz plane. If z term is not there, that is perpendicular to xy plane. So now this is in this problem equation of this plane is perpendicular to xz plane. Okay, friends? Okay, friends, this is some oral problem, friends. I give this explanation, oral explanation is enough for this problem because we have done this problem. The equation of the plane passing through the point -2, -2, 2 and containing the line joining the points 1, 1, 1 and 1 minus 1 2. Friends, here I give you just oral explanation because we have done this problem of this type. Equation of the plane passing through minus 2 minus 2 2. Minus 2 minus 2 2. You can find the equation of the plane. You can find the equation of the plane passing through this point. That is a into x minus of minus 2 plus b into y minus of minus 2 plus c into z minus 2 is equal to 0. This is the equation of the plane passing through this point. And what else we want? What else we want? And containing the line joining the points, 2 points are given. Joining the points 1 1 1, 1 1 1 and 1 minus 1 2. 1 minus 1 2. So you can substitute this point. You get equation in ABC. You substitute this point and you get another equation in ABC, and by cross multiplication method you can find the values of ABC and you can find the equation of the plane. Okay friends, or shall I do? Or shall I do? It's not necessary, I think. Okay, I do this problem. So equation of the plane passing through this point is this, and we want the equation of the plane containing these 2 points. So this point contains in this plane. So a into 1 plus 1, 1 plus 2, 3 plus b into 1 plus 2, 3 plus c into 1 minus 2, minus 1 is equal to 0. 3a plus 3b minus c is equal to 0. This is, say, equation 2. If that is 1, say this is 2. Now let us substitute this point. A into 1 plus 2, 3, 1 plus 2, 3, minus 1 plus 2, minus 1 plus 2, plus c into z minus 2 minus 2, 2 minus 2, 0. It implies 3a plus b, 3a plus b is equal to 0. This is equation 3. Or 3a plus b plus 0 into c is equal to 0. This is another equation. We can solve these 2 equations by cross multiplication method, and we can find the values of a, b, c, and by substituting a, b, c here we can get the equation of the plane. Okay friends, here I am solving the equations 2 and 3. By cross multiplication method. 3 minus 1, 3 1 3 1 0. So a by 3 into 0 0, minus of minus 1 plus 1, a is equal to 1. b by minus 1 into 3, minus 3, 0 into 3, 0. Okay friends, while finding b you have to do from this. C by 3 into 1, 3, 3 into 1, 3, minus 9, 3 minus 9, minus 6. So a is equal to 1. Finding a 3 digit 0. Okay, I should do like b. Okay. Minus. So a is equal to 1. B is equal to minus 3, C is equal to minus 6. Let us substitute these values, friends. Here A 1 into x plus 2, 1 into x plus 2 minus 3 into y plus 2 minus 6 into z minus 2 is equal to 0. That is x plus 2 minus 3y minus 6 minus 6z plus 12 is equal to 0. It implies x minus 3y minus 6z 2 plus 12 14 minus 6 plus 8 is equal to 0. X minus 3y minus 6z plus 8. X minus 3y x minus 3y minus 6z plus 8 is equal to 0. This is the required equation of the friends. Okay, friends, let us do one more problem. Okay, friends, our next problem is, friends, this is a small problem. Overall explanation is enough. See, for what value of k, points, 3 points, 4 points are given, friends. For what value of k, points minus 6, 3, 2, 3, minus 2, 4, 5, 7 and 3 and minus 13, k minus 1 are coplanar. So, first you have find the equation of the plane passing through the first 3 points. Find the equation of the plane passing through the first 3 points. 3 points are given. You find the equation passing through the given 3 points, and since the 4 points are coplanar, since the 4 points lie on the same plane, coplanar, you substitute the 4th point in the plane equation, then you can get the value of E. So I am not doing the problem here, friends. And see, this is now let us do this important problem. Equation of the bisector of acute angle between the planes 7x plus 4y plus 4z plus 3. 7x plus 4y plus 4z plus 3 is equal to 0. 7x plus 4y plus 4z plus 3 is equal to 0. And 2x plus y, x plus y plus 2z plus 2 is equal to 0. See, friends, we want the equation of bisector of acute angle between the 2 planes. See, friends, bisector of the given 2 planes. See, if a1x plus b1y plus c1 plus c1y c1z plus d1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2z plus d2 is equal to 0 are the 2 planes, then the angle bisector of equation of the bisector is a1x plus b1y plus c1z plus d1 by root of a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square is equal to plus or minus a2x plus b2y plus c2z plus d2 by root of a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square. That is we know. Friends, here we get 2 bisectors. One is acute angle bisector. And the another is obtuse angle bisector. acute angle bisector, obtuse angle bisector. Friends, see, in case of this bisector equation, first we have to find the value of A1A2 plus B1B2 plus C1C2. A1A2 plus B1B2 plus C1C2. If A1A2 plus B1B2 plus C1C2 greater than 0, A1A2 plus B1B2 plus C1C2, say greater than 0. A1A2 plus B1B2 plus C1C2 greater than 0, then for acute angle bisector, we have to take minus. For obtuse angle bisector, we have to take plus, because we have plus or minus. So we have to take minus. For acute angle bisector. We have to take plus for obtuse angle bisector when A1A2 plus B1B2 plus C1C2 greater than 0. The reverse is, see, if A1A2 plus B1B2 plus C1C2 less than 0. First you find A1A2 plus B1B2 plus C1C2. A1A2 plus B1B2 plus C1C2 less than 0 is less than 0. Then for acute angle bisector we have to take plus. For obtuse angle bisector we have to take minus. This point you have to keep it in mind. Now what is the question? Equation of the bisector of acute angle. Equation of the bisector of acute angle. So first let us see A1A2 plus B1B2 plus all are plus. So 7 2s 14. A1A2 plus B1B2 plus C1C2, 4 into 2 8. This is 26 greater than 0. A1A2 plus B1B2 plus C1C2 greater than 0. So if you want acute angle bisector, you have to take minus. If you want obtuse angle bisector, you have to take plus. Okay friends, now let us see 7x plus 4y plus 4z plus 3 by root of 7 square plus 4 square plus 4 square is equal to, actually our formula is plus or minus. We have to take minus because we want acute angle bisector. Minus 2x plus y plus 2z plus 2 by root of 2 square plus 1 square plus 2 square. See friends, 7x, it implies 7x plus 4y plus 4z plus 3 by root 49 plus 32 81 and a root 9 minus 2x plus y plus 2z plus 2 by 9 under root 3. Okay friends, 3 1s, 3 3s. So it implies 7x plus 4y plus 4z plus 3 is equal to minus 6x minus 3y minus 6z minus 6. Now it implies 7x minus 6x, 13x, 4y plus 3y, 7y, 4z plus 6z, 10z, 3. This is the acute angle bisector. This is the acute angle bisector friends. 13x plus 7y plus 10z plus 9 is equal to 0. 13x plus 7y plus 10z plus 9 is equal to 0. This is the acute angle bisector. This is important problem, friends. So first you find A1, first you check up A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 if that is positive. If that is positive, then you have to take minus for acute angle bisector or plus for obtuse angle bisector and the reverse. Okay, friends. This is small problem, friends. the ratio in which xy plane divide the line segment joining P minus 1 3 4 and Q 2 minus 5 6. 2 minus 5 6. See, we want the ratio we want the ratio in which the xy plane divides this. See, xy plane divides. See friends, let these 2 points are divided in the ratio k is to 1. Let the xy plane divides these 2 points in the ratio k is to 1. Because it is, see, these 2 points are divided by xy plane. xy plane means z must be 0. So now we will not find the coordinates of all the coordinates of the point, just find the z coordinate. K into 6 plus 1 into 4, k into 6 or 6k plus 4 by k plus 1. This is equal to 0. Because this is the z coordinate. Of the point which divides this and this in the ratio k is to 1. This is the z coordinate. We are not finding the x coordinate and y coordinate. X coordinate means k into 2 plus 1 into minus 1 by k plus 1, k into minus 5 plus 1 into 3 by k plus 1, and we are finding only the z coordinate because we want the ratio in which xy plane divides. Xy plane divides means just find the z coordinate. Just make the z coordinate 0. 6 into k plus 1 into 4 by k plus 1 is equal to 0. 6k plus 4 is equal to 0. K is equal to minus 4 by 6 minus 2 by 3. That is the xy plane divides these 2 points externally in the ratio 2 is to 3. Here the ratio is minus. So the xy plane divides these 2 points in the ratio 2 is to 3. Externally. Right, friends? So if you want xy plane, since it is xy plane, we just found the z coordinate, and z coordinate is 0. Okay friends, another important problem friends, this is important problem. Equation of the plane containing the line of intersection of 3x plus 4y plus 6z minus 3 is equal to 0, 2x minus 4y plus z plus 6 is equal to 0. Equation of the plane containing the line of intersection of these two planes and passing through origin. Okay friends, this is another easy problem, because we know the equation of the plane passing through the line of intersection of these two planes. Equation of the plane passing through the line of intersection of these two planes. These two planes is 3x plus 4y plus 6z minus 3 plus lambda into 2x minus 4y plus z plus 6 is equal to 0. Here friends, this is the required plane. Passing through the line of intersection of these two planes. This plane is passing through 0, 0, 0. This plane is passing through 0, 0, 0. So these are zeros. Minus 3 plus 6 lambda x0, y0, z0. 6 lambda is equal to 0. 6 lambda is equal to 3. Lambda is equal to 1 by 2. So let us substitute the value of lambda here. Okay friends, 3x plus 4y plus 6z minus 3 plus 1 by 2 into 2x minus 4y plus z plus 6 is equal to 0. Which implies 2 into 3, 6x plus 2x, 8x, 2 into 4, 8y minus 4y, 4y plus 2 into 6, 12z plus z, 13z minus 6 plus 6, 0. Because it is passing through origin, no constant term. So the equation is 8x plus 4y plus 13z is equal to 0. Okay friends, let us do 2 more problems in our next session. So thank you friends, have a nice day.